You might be quite familiar with Google Docs, but did you know that Google Docs has a voice typing feature? It is an amazing dictation feature that allows you to type and edit text as you speak. Let us see how to use the voice typing feature in Google Docs. The purpose of Google Docs voice typing feature is to type and edit the text as you speak. Open a blank document in Google Docs using Chrome browser. To do so, click on New and then click on Google Docs. Please note that the voice typing feature is only available in Google Chrome. To activate the voice typing feature, click on Tools and then click on Voice Typing. Now, to start typing your voice commands, your computer's microphone needs to be on and working. A microphone icon appears in Google Docs. Click the drop-down arrow near the English to view the languages available for voice typing. As we want English US, we will keep it as it is. Now, click the microphone icon and say, "How are you doing today?" and then say question mark. How are you doing today? Question mark. You can see as we speak, the letters are getting typed. Please note that every time you are done with typing, click the microphone to stop typing. Let us type one more sentence. Say, new line. Welcome to Google Voice Typing. Period. New line. New line. Next, let us insert a table. Say, insert table 5 by 5. Move to the next column. Delete a column. Delete a row. You have seen how voice typing is done. Similarly, you can also edit the text by using various commands. Let us see this by selecting and highlighting a word from this document. Say, select Google. Highlight. In this way, you can type and edit the text using various voice commands. You can click the question mark icon to view the voice typing help menu, which displays various voice typing commands related to punctuation, formatting, editing, and more. The punctuation phrases also work for various voice typing languages like German, Spanish, French, and more. Thus, Google Voice Typing might be the future of writing or working style. It might transform your way of typing. Go ahead and try the typing feature using various voice commands.